Hello, welcome to the iPhone channel. After entering the wrong password multiple times, your iPhone screen will show iPhone Security Lockout. Security Lockout is a new feature in iOS 15.2. This feature gives you more options to reset your iPhone. To remove the Security Lockout screen, I'll show you 4 ways in this video. Let's get started. Way 1. Erase iPhone on screen. On your Security Lockout screen, you can see the erase option. Let's hit it. Then you need to enter your Apple ID password. Now it will start to erase your iPhone. The erasing process is completed. Complete these settings, select a new iPhone. Now we land the home screen. If your iPhone has no network, the erase option will not appear, so I prepare you many ways. Way 2. Use Find My. If your iPhone has turned on Find My function, you can use this method. Let's log into your iCloud account at iCloud.com. Then click Find iPhone on the screen. At the top of the screen, select the All Devices. Then select the iPhone you need to erase. Click Erase iPhone. Then Erase. Here you need to enter your passcode, then enter your 2-factor authentication. Now you can see your iPhone will start to erase. Just take some time. Now we come to the startup screen. Just set it up like a new iPhone. I'll skip this part for you. Well done, we land the home screen. If you don't open Find My on your iPhone, you can try the next one without any restriction. Way 3. Use iPhone iOS System Repair. The ultimate way to raise your iPhone is using iPhone iOS System Repair software. With the help of this tool, you can remove Security Lockout screen with simple steps. It's pretty easy to operate. Download and open iPhone iOS System Repair on your computer. Then connect your iPhone to your computer. We need to put the iPhone into recovery mode for iPhone iOS System Repair to recognize it. For iPhone SE, press and release volume up, then press and release the volume down, then press and hold the side button until the connected computer icon appears. Okay, go back to iPhone iOS System Repair. Click Reset Device, then hit Factory Reset button. Download the firmware. Well, the download is completed. Click Starts to reset. Then you can wait for it to reset your device. Well done, you can see the startup screen. It means your iPhone has been erased. After completing the settings, we land the home screen smoothly. It's so easy, right? Finally, there is the last method. Way 4. Use iTunes. Let's launch iTunes on your computer. Now, we need to connect your iPhone and put it into recovery mode. Then switch back to iTunes. You'll see a pop-up to update or restore. Note that we need to select Restore here. It can reset your iPhone and also erase all the data on your iPhone. Then click Restore and Update. Normally, you need wait for more than half an hour. Well, it's completed. After completing the settings, we land the home screen smoothly. So guys, that's all for today's video. If you think this video is helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. See you.